Welcome back to the VST channel. The mysterious Samsung cameraman person is back, and this is the person in charge of the Samsung camera development team, and he's sharing some updates on the forthcoming camera updates that Samsung is going to release for the whole S24 series. So buckle up and let's start reading. If you don't want just to get a talking head, quit this video, it's not for you. But if you want to understand what are the changes that we will get hopefully in the next few days, still in February, then let's keep reading. Hello, I'm in charge of the camera. So this guy apparently very bossy. I kind of like his attitude, and that's of course translated, but you get the idea, right? Like this is really like the camera guy. He also wants to thank everybody submitting a lot of feedback through the Samsung members app, various channels, and on their sharing on what they're working. So they want to adjust the brightness of dark areas when shooting in high pixel mode and improve the clarity of text in high magnification zoom. Please check details below, and we hope to provide improved camera usage through this update. And of course they asked us to be very sincere. I really like this very honest and transparent approach. Image quality has been improved by adjusting the brightness when shooting backlit in high pixel mode. This is something you can clearly test the moment you get the update. So we're gonna find for some backlit scenarios, right? Also shooting photos in this scenario with a backlit case scenario, and then let's see if this is gonna happen in high pixel mode, which probably means that we're gonna use 50, maybe 200, let's see. The clarity of text has been improved when using magnification. This is only for the S24 Ultra. It makes sense because we have a 5x optical zoom and a 10s optical light quality zoom. The clarity and picture quality have been improved while recording your video, and this is something I'm looking forward to because the daily video from the S24 Ultra is great, but the night video is, oh my god, don't get me started. Please go and watch my video there, my review. In the photo mode preview, the brightness of dark areas in indoor environments has been increased and sharpness of people has been smoothly improved. I guess bad translation, but alright, we will have to see this when it comes. Expression has been improved by additionally applying color data in food mode. Alright. Colors have been improved by adjusting saturation and white balance in night mode. This is actually what I'm looking forward to because the Samsung night mode was giving some not so consistent results. Specifically with night sky, it gets a little bit of the purple side, some hue and tint, not great. Image quality has been improved when zooming in on the gallery after shooting a new format, DNG in the Expert Grow Up. And the expression of fast-moving subjects in backlit conditions in the rear photo has been improved. This sounds so complex, like just say like we improved shutter speed, which I really hope this means. The exposure and color expression of subjects, people, flowers, okay, subjects, right, people, have been improved in the photo mode, again, only for the S24 Ultra. And then here, I think this is again bad translation because this sharpness option is the new vividness mode, has been added to screen mode in display settings so you can enjoy more vivid colors. So right now I can conclude this is a very highly anticipated update. Let's hope that we're gonna get it. Some people on Twitter already seems to have these updates. I'm not sure if that's even possible, maybe it is. And they're very happy, so we have to see if I'm gonna be very happy with this update. Let's see, guys. In the same time, I'm testing my S23 Ultra, already received an update, only security patch, but yeah, we still have to see how Samsung did it. Maybe they just managed to sneak in something under the hood. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Update your phone, stay safe, VST over, and bye.